Whether you are prompting a local business, advertising an event, hosting a fundraiser, sharing an announcement in social media, today I'm going to be showing you how to get started generating an actual easier flyer from start to finish, even if you have zero design experience. So my step one and most easy solution is to sign in directly here into Canva. You can generate an actual account totally for free. And once you are directly inside Canva, you want to right click into the home page to start adding into flyer. It usually appears into the element that says create. So I select the element that says create and I type the word flyer. So you wanted to go for the element that says flyer, whether this is like the portrait view or if you're going to be printing this into the landscape, so you're going to be folding this manually yourself. I strongly suggest that you go for the manual version, so it's going to be much more easier for you to check out how to fold this directly. Now into the left section, usually what we do have is the template section. So templates can be helping us to get started with this experience of the actual flyers. Usually what I do is to type the word flyer, and you can see that we have different ways of the actual flyer. If your intention is to fold it, usually what I do is to look out for a template that has an actual folded version. Usually they don't have a lot, but in this case, for example, I believe that this one actually works really fine. So the only thing I need to do once I find the best solution, I go for the element that says applied for both pages, and just like that, here it is, my actual flyer already been imported. The only thing that I need to do is to start by changing the elements that I would like to change. For example, burger country, I go for EasyTech daily. Thanks for staying home. Let's say first, thanks for watching, like this. Open for delivery. Let's go for check out our YouTube tutorials online. Let's say I delete this hamburger. I go for elements, and let's say that I type the word laptop right into my elements. I go for the element that says graphic, for example, and here usually what I do is to just type, for example, something like this really easily. I go for ideas and put it somewhere directly inside here. This is just like an example of what you can do in order to edit your actual template, right? And do exactly the same thing directly down below here. There's another way of how you can generate an actual flyer directly here with the Canva, and that is with the actual element that is the Canva Artificial Intelligence. When you're down below here into Canva, into the home dashboard, into the left section, you can go for the element that says Canva AI. Inside here, what you can do is to start by adding, for example, a flyer. Let's go for a flyer design for a YouTube channel that generates I don't know, maybe free tutorials about Canva. When I send this, usually Canva will try to understand elements that we can be changing so far, but I might be telling you that in order to use the Canva AI, you might be needing to have an actual pro version in order to continue. That's the reason why the Canva AI, it's not for everybody. So inside here, if you already have this version, usually sometimes the free version can give you limited options, but still you can try it out if you want to. Basically what I do is to send this a specific prompt, for example, design a modern A4 flyer. This is going to be really important because I wanted to have this specific version, and I asked, for example, for a beachy themed sushi restaurant. I wanted to use these elements, include my actual logo at the actual top, which in my case will be something that I'm going to be generating later. So I can delete the actual logo if you wanted to, but in this case, for example, here is the title, here is the description, here is all the actual content that I'm going to be using for my actual flyer, and this of course is an example. Open daily, and lastly a QR code, placeholder, social media icons in clear order now. Use modern sans serif typography, lots of white space, premium for advertising. And if you don't know how to generate this kind of prompts, usually I even ask the artificial intelligence, for example ChatGPT. So I can add, for example, all the information about my actual business, and let's say help me generate the actual prompt so I can copy and paste it into, for example, into Canva. So it's going to be organizing my full prompt that I can just copy. I go back into Canva and I paste it. But it's going to be really important to choose the element that says design in order to continue. When you hit for the element that says send, usually it's going to be sending you into a new editor mode. So what you need to do is just to wait to see how Canva generates the actual flyer for you. So if your intention is to fold it, you can just ask the artificial intelligence to do it, but I don't suggest you to focus into that because the AI usually don't understand so much. So what I can do is to generate or change stuff that I can be, for example, adding. For example, like this, I can even delete this image and add, for example, this logo, right? So basically, I just put it somewhere inside here. I put it here into the center, for example, like this. It does look a little bit much more professional, and I can change, for example, the weight of how it actually looks, my actual title. Here it says QR code, for example. I delete this and I type, for example, QR, and you have a fully great functional QR element. For example, I'm going to type just for example, I'm going to just type google.com. So I go for generate the code. You use your URL, for example, for your full restaurant. I make this a little much smaller, and I put it somewhere directly inside here. This is one of the most easiest and, in my case, fastest way to generate, for example, almost any kind of stuff directly here inside Canva with the actual artificial intelligence. But you can try either way, the manual version. You can go for the template version or the artificial intelligence version. At the end of the day, going to be generating something really awesome that we can be using to generate, for example, all our actual, in this case, our flyer. So with this being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you well, guys, next time.